Hey everyone, it's been a little while since I put a video out there. Rest assured, I've still been busy on the boat. So the project lately has been working on the Teak, which is pretty much an annual thing for me. So we bought this boat back in 18. The Teak was in pretty sad shape, and so I did a lot of work on it. I actually sanded it 4 years ago, more than sanded it, but it was quite a process to bring it back to life. But the products that I've used are by a company called Ditec, D-I-T-E-C, and they're different than the traditional oil-based sealers. It's more of a, they say it's a nanotechnology that actually adheres to it. It actually goes on like water, and the thing that I really like about it is I've got 3 coats on this right now, and it didn't change the color of the Teak. It doesn't change the feel of the Teak. You really, other than the fact that that I'm telling you that it's on there, you really can't tell. So everybody keep in mind, I'm going to show you a video of what I did today, putting the sealer on it. But sanded it 4 years ago, and since that time, the maintenance on it really has been just to clean it throughout the year, obviously, and then once a year I reseal it. So I would say it's definitely low maintenance now that it's got this product on it. And again, this Teak is 4 years since I've done anything major to it other than just clean it and reseal it. Keep in mind the camera adds 10 pounds, okay, at least. So hope you enjoy it. Bye.